Hello, everybody, and welcome to day 10, the second creative day of the 30 Days Lost in Space Adventure Kit. I hope you're able to post your day 5 creative day successfully. We'll start by doing the same thing as a previous creative day. At this point, you are probably familiar with the photoresistor sensors and the RGB LED, since we just talked about those in the last couple of days. So here's a couple new projects that you can go ahead and try out for yourself. The easy project for this week, if you want to take on the easier project, is you can create a night light using the photoresistor. When it gets dark, the LED should turn on. When it gets bright, it obviously doesn't need to be on, so it should automatically turn off. And the harder project is to do the easy project, but then add in the functionality for the dip switch override. And of course, you're also free to do your own. So the last one is the open-ended option, which if you want to just do whatever you'd like, you can go ahead and do whatever you'd like. Once you're done, share it on inventor.io/Facebook with the hashtag CreativeDay10. And looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Of course, if you run into any issues, feel free to ask the Facebook group for help, as they are a wonderful, wonderful group of over 100,000 inventors just like you. Thanks.